Hi, we are going to go over dividing decimals in real world applications. My learning target is I can multiply and divide positive decimals. We are going to review how to divide decimals, talk about some keywords we would look for in word problems that involve division, and then do a few word problems together. So I want to convert the divisor into a whole number first. Then whatever I do to one, I must do the other. I'm going to multiply the dividend by the same power of 10. And the reason is I want the answer to be the same or equivalent. And then bring the decimal straight up in your problem. All right, so for example, I want to change my divisor to a whole number, make this 6, which means this is going to become 48 divided by 6. 48 divided by 6, that's 8. So my answer is 8. Keywords we may see for division problems: divided equally or evenly, how many per. You usually know when you divide, you know the total. When you're multiplying, you look for the total. When you divide, you know the total. Emma bought 7.5 liters of juice. So that's my total I know. She wants to pour the juice equally into bottles that each hold 0.5 liters. How many bottles can she fill? So I have 7.5 divided by 0.5. I'm going to move that decimal point once, so I have to do it once here. So now I have 75 divided by 5. So I get 15 bottles. Factory produces 348.6 kilograms of chocolate. The chocolate is packed into boxes that each hold 2.2 5 kilograms. How many full boxes can the factory make? So we know the total, so we know we are dividing. We have 348.6 divided by 2.25. Move this decimal twice, so this becomes 225. Move this decimal twice, it becomes 34,860. Oh, there we go. All right, so it says full bottles, so it's going to be, or four, full boxes, 154 boxes, because you're not asking for parts of boxes. A truck travels 927.5 miles using 37.1 gallons of fuel. How many miles does the truck travel per gallon of fuel? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we have 927.5 divided by 37.1. Moving my decimal once, move this one once. This is 25 miles. A bakery used 15.5 kilograms of flour to make bread. If each loaf requires 0.25 kilograms of flour, how many loaves did the bakery make? This twice, move this twice. Be 62 loaves. Thank you for watching.